This is my brother Mikey, and he is feeding his Venus flytrap.
Oh, good one, Mike. I'm not gonna take him. Oh, it's not even doing nothing, doing.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get me too old, baby.
Is that too big for him?
It's because it's all rolled up. I don't know it.
He's cool. There's nothing for us.
He ain't no dummy. He ain't opening it.
No, he's not looking at it. Alright, time for him.
Are they still alive?
Yeah, they're just rolled up. Time for Green to get a meal. Time to die.
Stab him.
I was about to. I used to do this with mulch and feed it to ants.
Oh, as you do stab him. Nice.
Come on, I should have hit some. That one's just probably not gonna even budge out.
Yeah, well, he ain't doing nothing, is he?
Well, I have actually a smart bug. Let's see if I stab him and make him pop out. Okay. Swirling. Don't. No. Light speed, Adam.
This green one ain't closing too quick, boy.
Because it's
Just a juvenile.
not it's a slacker. Doesn't really feel like it.
Melissa.
Melissa.
That was a dog.
Yeah.
So when will that big one open up?
I don't know. It has a spider on it.
Oh, so he's still munching.
I put it in there a few weeks.
Oh, wow.
Got a baby one though. A few babies. Should probably gotten some small. Melissa! Can't even stand your own fart.
Oh, wow.